Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Tony here doing some pre-coffee analysis. I just want to go over AGIX here, see where we're at. So yesterday I posted wave 5 most likely target up here after this suspected triangle here. We got a rejection out of the box, so good for the box. And we got this swift move back down to this area and found a little bit of support, bounced back up, back into the box, and then we continued on here. Basically what I'm looking at, if you're for Elliott waivers, if you think this is the orthodox end of the wave 4 right here, we did sweep it slightly. I still want to wait for a little bit more of a sweep down, get these lows to be 100% sure that there's a possibility that it's done. So I'm going to wait and see what happens here. At the end of the day, though, we did pop up, came back down. We had a little bit of structure in there. We broke that. We're breaking some of these higher lows. We broke the final channel parallel right here. So it looks like we're getting a bit of a pullback. Question is this the pullback or just a pullback for some more continuation? So what I'm going to be watching is this level right here. Ideally, again, I'd like to see these lows swept to kind of make sure that we've got enough liquidity to start popping up here again. The hype is real on this asset, so again, could just go with flying straight up. But what I'm watching for is a break of this line here, this price here at 72 cents-ish. I want to see this pop at least. Hopefully we get a little retracement back down into an ideal area. And we get a nice C3 setup, something like that. So we got to watch here, see how this breaks. It looks like it's starting to creep up there. So might be on its way. But again, if this breaks down here, I'm going to be watching for the same thing. I'm going to be looking for this point to break and then look for an internal retracement, potentially more up. A larger scale here. There's two ways to kind of look at this. The bulls are going to see this as an ABC, and I don't blame them. So right now, let's see where we're at for the fibs. Okay, so we're in between 1 and 127 right now, which is a good spot for completion or a C wave. But what I'm watching for as far as price action printing, I want to see a nice swift move up and possibly retrace down for a larger move up. Or I want to see how we retrace here. If we start getting a nice corrective move, then I'm going to be looking for a short for a 1-2-1-2. So again, to kind of show you the idea, want to see this level pop here, 72 cents pop. Get a nice little retrace, and then we're playing the C3. So we don't know right now. This could be an ABC. It could be a 1-2-1-2. We don't know. So I'm looking for an impulsive move up, correction move. And then if it moves up for a C or 3, I don't really care, to be honest. If we go for a C and we start getting a little lazy, I'm going to be looking for the 1-to-1 as usual. Something like this. And then if we pop up, we're on board for the next leg up. We can get a little bit higher risk reward or some more percentage out of it. Even if this is a C, this could be a C of another zigzag, and we're going into some kind of sideways hell here where we pop the top, could be a running flat triangle, whatever. We don't know yet. Could just do some sideways for a triangle. So that's why I'm thinking I'm going to be taking some profits here if I get this entry or if we get this movement here. Looking for 1-to-1 or zigzag most likely targets to take profit if things turn out for me here. And then I'll let the rest ride, but we'll have to see how the waves kind of develop from there. All right, so that's kind of my game plan here at the smaller time frame. Trigger point to start looking for entries for me is an impulsive move up here. All right, that's all I got for now. Trade safe out there. If you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, just hit me up later.